Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. Okay, so we're battling in this really wide range. I mean, we've been up 39s, back down as low as 38.01 last night. So we did 38.01 half. A couple days ago, we did 38.04. We've been as high as 39, 34 half. So price has been everywhere and absolutely nowhere at all because the range just keeps coming back and playing around with the daily mid-band, which is, right around 38.72 right now, 38.73. The 50 kind of got a little bit of a look. 50 EMA, it's 37.97, 38.02, depending whether you're using the exponential or the simple moving average. So that's holding. I'll be very interested to see whether we close closer to the 20-day, the green line, or the 50-day, the red line. It should be interesting. So as we go to the hourly, you can see red line down, here's your 50. It's been testing that. Here's your mid-band. Here's your 9-day, way above weekly pivot. But shoot, we were up here yesterday, right? I mean, this is basically where they opened it on a weekly pivot fail. And we've been just jammed in a 50 handle range down here, which is made for some really nice trading, but not a lot of resolution. So it's been just a great big week. Anytime price is going to move in these big chunks like this, it's going to play into the hands of folks like us. We got to see where it wants to close. You got volume weighted average price and our proprietary moving average. It's all jammed in with the hourly mid-band right about 38.27. So if there's a bull bear line in this thing off the open, it's that. And it basically just bisects this 50 handle range that we're in. So let's see if the volatility wants to keep up today. I will say, if it goes choppy, if it goes too whippy, and we're not making any progress, chances of us just packing it up for the weekend are pretty good. We're at the end of the week, end of the month. All the metric, everything that we look to do in a month, a week, a month, and honestly, a year has been hit. So if the market doesn't want to be tradable, if it doesn't want to cooperate, then we're not going to trade something that doesn't want to be traded. 50 handle range, sure, but if this kind of devolves into some 10 handle whip job, we'll pack it in probably. So everybody have a fantastic day, fantastic weekend. Be safe, be healthy, take care, respect risk in this market. Have your disaster stops. We're using interim stops. Takes a whole lot of the risk. Risk we were taking even a year ago. We've taken 80% of that risk out of the tape. It's been great. I'm glad we came up with it. But respect risk in this tape. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you Monday. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.